Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today we're going to learn how to make a beautiful spring wreath, so stay tuned. So I chose a grapevine wreath to make my spring wreath, and I've already got my bow made. Now I chose a burlap bow with wire. I have made burlap bows that aren't wired before, and in a few weeks the weather just makes them look limp and terrible, so be sure to get one with wire. Now I'm going to tie it to my wreath. Turn it over and tie a really tight knot in the back, and you can use a little glue if you want to just make sure you want to secure your bow. Alright, for the design of my spring wreath, I'm actually going to put flowers just on half the wreath because I just really like the natural twigs showing. I chose 3 large peonies. I've already clipped them, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them in the wreath. Next, I'm ready to add, I'm going to add some more white flowers, but I'm going to add a smaller size white flower. Add a little glue. I'm going to put, again, kind of 3 on the top and 1 below the ribbon. Now I'm ready to add some color to the wreath. I chose some coral and yellow, and if you look at these stems you'll notice that they're really long, and that's because I'm getting ready to start creating that airy spray look with the wreath. So make sure when you're putting your flowers in after you've added your glue to really push them into that grapevine wreath. And now I'm ready to add the yellow flowers. So I want to add a little bit of pink to the wreath, so I picked these pink tulips. I've got 2 of them, and I'm going to add them right at the top and show them off. Okay. And just a little bit more pink. I think I can just pull these off. Yep. Add a little glue. Add one right in there. And one down at the bottom. And one over here on the side. This is the last flower I'm going to add. I like it because it's droopy and it's a little airy, and it brings a little bit more white out into the whole floral. Okay, so I finished my wreath, hung it up. Looks great. Remember, just to recap, put your larger flowers closest to your bow, work your way out with your medium flowers, and add the beautiful dainty little flowers around the edges, and that's all it takes to make a gorgeous spring wreath. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to share it with a friend. And if you need to know how to make a bow, I put the link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Friday. Have a great day.